Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess, for those of you who don't know who I am. And today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial using all affordable products. And I wanted to share with you guys this look. This look was actually recommended by one of my, she's a family member, but I'll say a subscriber. She asked me to do a makeup look using the new Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, more on the neutral side. So girl, I hope this does you justice. It is a little dramatic, but of course, as always, you guys, we can always adjust it to your own liking. I definitely did use all affordable products that you are able to go pick out today if you are going to recreate this look, guys. Anyways, thank you guys as always for tuning into my channel. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay y'all, so I already started off with my eyebrows. I can never find anything in drugstore that's pretty good. Besides, I just bought the Kat Von D and I wanted to try that today. It's a little dark, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. The first thing I'm gonna try today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour. My God, that's a long name. So it's a new concealer. Well, it's not new, but it's a concealer from Makeup Revolution. A lot of people have been liking this. Some of my friends, well, two of my friends, let me say, not say some, but two of my friends have said it is comparable to Shape Tape. And I really do like Shape Tape. However, you know, it's always nice if we can find something just a little bit cheaper. So I want to see for myself, because I do, like I said, I really do like Shape Tape. So let's see. The colors were a little bit off, guys. I got C7. So, oh, that has a strong scent. Oh no, I think it'll work. It may not be as bright, but that's okay. I think it'll definitely work. So we're just gonna use this. Next, I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe, or Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is the Ring the Alarm palette. And I'm going to take the color Rush. Yes. Do I want to take Rush? Yeah, I'll take Rush. And then I'm just going to start tapping that onto the crease and then blending as I go. Okay, y'all, so I already started with the other eye, but I'm going to take the color Mugshot, this color right here, which I'm confused as to why she would name that Mugshot, but okay. I'm just gonna deepen up the crease. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one came off a little bit powdery, but nothing too crazy, guys. It's not like, I don't know, y'all. When I saw this, you know, these palettes come out, at first I was kind of like, oh my God, like the swatches really didn't do a lot of it justice. And I was like, oh, hell no. And then when I swatched it myself, I was like, what the hell is going on? But then once I started playing with the colors, I was like, oh, like, it's not too shabby. I think I told you guys that the last time in my last video. I still have yet to play with the teal palette, so I guess that's the one that really people are like so anti, just against it. So I want to try that palette coming soon, but I don't know if I want to make a video on it or just do a look and then do a video. I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys want me to do. All four of you. So now I'm just going back in and blending out that color once again. I'm going back in and taking that shade Boom right in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna place this right on top of my lid, all over the lid. Ooh, girl. This is nice, honey. Now, of course, I did experience some fallout, but that's okay. I feel like because I do use so much product, it's bound to happen anyway. Oh, yep, that was the trick. Not to pick up too much. With the color Secret, I am going to actually just take a smaller, blending brush, picking some of that up, and I'm just going to, now this one broke apart just a little bit, but that's fine. I'm just going to hit the outer corner right in here. I'm going in with my NYX liquid liner, which you guys already know. Even if this wasn't like an affordable makeup tutorial, I just absolutely love this liner. I absolutely love this liner. So yeah. Now once again, you can always skip on liner, but I do like the look of liner. I feel like with liner and lashes, it makes everything look like you tried a little bit harder. Okay, y'all, so for lashes, all I have is this brand called Cosmedia. They just have these pack of lashes like this, and I found these at TJ Maxx. Now, you guys know I usually like my Fame lashes, however, I mean, they are affordable, but to kind of keep with the same concept, these come with 5 pairs of lashes for, what, $8 or something like that? So, yeah, these are called the Glam Whispies. Okay, y'all, so I already cleaned up under my eyes and I primed my face. I didn't show you guys the primer that I'm using because it is Hourglass. You guys already know. I rarely ever try out a affordable primer just because I feel like they never work for me ever. This foundation is going to be provided by NYX Cosmetics. You guys, this is the Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and I got the color, it's right in my face, medium olive. Yep, medium olive, and I'm hoping that this matches me correctly because all the other colors in store kind of, they were just like weird. They were either it was actually either too pink, too dark, and this was the last one that was like in my shade range. So I'm hoping, ooh, did I break something? I sure did. So I'm hoping, I don't know what just happened. So I'm hoping this will work for me. Let's see. Put some on the back of my hand. And I think it'll, this one's a little weird. But who am I? Who am I? Who am I but a bitch that likes pie? Seriously? I have my name on backwards. Okay, so anyways, yeah, this is going to be actually a perfect match. Let's see. Well, this stuff is full coverage, y'all. This stuff, it looks like it's going to be full coverage, but let's go ahead and blend it out and see. Ooh. Yeah, that looks like actually like a perfect match. Y'all, it's hard for me to find really good matches because I have like, I swear I have like chameleon skin. Oh my god, that's actually like really perfect. Oh, we got a match! And so far, I think I may like this foundation. Okay, so now that my whole face is covered, I do notice that this foundation is on the matte side. So if you're dry, I don't know how you're going to like this too much. I don't mind matteness, but then again, I can make it work. And plus, I have oily skin. You guys know that. So yeah, that's a little heads up because I do see a little dryness in this area. But then again, I am just a little dry at the moment. But nothing too crazy. You know what I've been experiencing too a lot lately? Texture. Sorry guys, I know it was a little blurry. I hope this works now. I was playing with my lens a little bit. But anyways, so for concealer, I'm taking the Revolution Makeup Revolution concealer once again. And of course, brightening these under eye area. Okay, then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out. And what the hell is on my face? Okay, so I am noticing with this concealer as well, you do have to work pretty fast. It is drying down pretty fast, just like the Tarte Shape Tape. Just going in with a different brush just to really get in there. Blend that concealer. To finish the eyes, I'm taking that shade Secret once again, and I'm going to take that right to the lash line. Just with like a little blending brush, I'm going to take the mixture of Rush and Mugshot once again and buff that out on the bottom lash line. Take a fluffy brush with the same bronzer and go ahead and just warm up the skin. I'm just going to go ahead and buff off that bake. For blush, I'm taking the NYX Nude To Me blush, which looks like this. They're called the ombre blushes, but I'm not sure. They were cute when they were first launched, and then after a while, it's like you just swirl the whole damn thing in there. And pop that right onto my cheeks. Ooh, my skin's looking a little dry. Ooh! Tone that baby down, girl. Then to highlight, I'm taking this Morphe palette. This is a collaboration with Deysi Danger on Instagram. She is so bomb, guys. I definitely suggest for you guys to check her out. She's such a dope person, and she's so pretty as well. I'm gonna take a mixture of these two together and hit that right there. Boom! You guys, these highlighters are so pretty, and they're nice too because since it does come with, what is it, 9 shades? But 2 of them are more of like the brightening powders, like kind of like your banana powders in that situation. 2 of them are more of matte powders. Take a little bit of that white shade right there, and I'm gonna pop that right into my inner corners. Lips, I'm taking Ink Blot from Colourpop, which looks like this. And it is a matte color. Of course, just hit your face again. So that sums up my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below some of the looks that you guys are interested in seeing in the future, and what other palettes would you guys like me to play with. Also recommend some products to me from the drugstore that you guys may or may not want me to try out, or that you guys are interested in buying and that maybe I should try it out first. I don't know, guys. Let's just all come together and talk about makeup in the comments. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall talk to you guys later.